AREB Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this from in the video till the end to find out. First of all, American Rebel Holdings is decent 40% up, and with performance like this is how my chart is looking like. Right. Beforehand, I was just looking to double down because we were in such a great demand zone, but I never even got the opportunity to look for that confirmation because we just quite literally crashed down. So in this case, let me do this. Since the bearish breaking, we have this gap. Unless I see the price really giving me that shift here, then I'm not going to look to buy nor sell. Currently it's in a bearish range, so I'm looking to just double down, right? And I'm saying this not like for everything. This is the nearest future money, but for me to be bullish, I must see full candle close above like $8. And I know it's a very big discrepancy, but it is what it is. It really is what it is. Lower time frame, of course, you can long towards that high, but that's at least how I'm looking at things. Who am I? Maybe I've done 39,000 videos, right? So spend 5 figures, course and mentors. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.